begin to install our hair. So this is my adhesive spray. I will begin to spray on my edges to blow dry with a very cool heat. See, sticky. Now let's begin to drag the hair forward. What do? Ogini they may begin to drag the hair forward. Drag it, baby. Okay. It is just the enter woto. I will just spray again for extra hold. I will begin to melt the lace. One stick, hot comb, like this. This is the part. They see and the thing deep. Okay. So I will use my gel and my got to be okay to style. Spray. Melty band. Guinea kind of me. This is period. It shows. Check out the final look of this wig installation. Check out the final look. Just rate it. Rate it, baby. Rate it. How do you see it? It's looking sexy. And this is period. Beauty shock normally. See, say yeah. Very flat. Yes, this is the goal. And this is the C part coming from year till year. Okay, and then come sleep all year. You can see the outcome is looking gangelized. So I hope this video help you to be able to style your wig after installation. Hope you grab something on this video on how to style your C part. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.